Hello friends, welcome to my new video. In this video I am going to tell you how you can create your own logo for your own channel. So let's start. Before starting, you have the requirement of Adobe Photoshop and a particular GPU, but I do not have GPU, so I will not tell GPU logo. After I will get a GPU, I will tell a logo for a GPU one. So let's start and subscribe my channel. So please thumbs up if you like the video, please thumbs down if you dislike the video, please comment that what you dislike about my video, and I will definitely going to fix that. So let's open Adobe Photoshop CC 2018. So it will get initialized and it will get opened. So let's wait for initializing. Okay, it has been done and Photoshop has been opened. And now let's click on File or Control N. Okay. So now let's click on Control N. Okay. So now get width 1024 and height with 1024, orientation with this and resolution 300, color mode RGB color and 8-bit. So let's create. Okay, background as transparent. Let me select transparent, go to advanced option, square pixel, and color profile as normal default. And now let's create. So this is the page where we have to do our artwork for our logo, and I have choose agency FB. So this is the font we have to choose, and I have choose the color of my font as purple, and I will give the code in the description for the color. And now okay, and now I will type FAM normally. So this is the middle of this, and now click on blending option. So they are more than enough. I will click on drop shadow, outer glow, pattern overlay, gradient overlay, color overlay, satin, inner glow, inner shadow, shadow. Do not select texture, and color overlay this. Now check out color overlay, and now click on drop shadow. So you can see how I have made the graph. Select that type of graph, and you will find a metallic design for FAM, and preview. You can see it's all because we have select shadow mode as black and highlight mode as white. So you can see a metallic design. So this is the logo, and you can see it's looking like a premium design. And let's create a lower font. Okay, Control Z. Yes. So you can see, and I will do same with this blending option. Bevel, sorry, stroke, inner glow, satin, gradient overlay, pattern overlay, outer glow, drop shadow, and now you can see it's looking like premium and magnetic. Premium, I think it's so attractive that everyone will want to take this logo as his own. So thanks for watching this video. If you like the video, please thumbs up, and if you dislike the video, please thumb down. Comment below if there's any doubt, and please comment if you dislike, what you dislike, and I will definitely going to fix that. So if you want this template, I will give the download link in the description. So thanks for watching.